How to delete Bitget account. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to delete your Bitget account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can download Bitget on Google Play Store or App Store, or you can visit their website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here on my Bitget dashboard menu, I can just click my icon right here in the top left corner and I will be redirected to my profile. So right here in my profile, I can just click my account right here. So if I after I click that, this settings also will appear, and right here on the bottom part, I can click close account. So this is where you can delete or remove your Bitget account. So just click that and click close account rightly, and after you click that, as you can see, a risk warning will pop up. So this is the things that will be the result after deleting your account. So make sure that you read all of that and click I understand on the box on the bottom part and click next. And as you can see, you need to log in your password first in order to continue to delete your account. And after inputting your password, just click submit, and a code will also be sent to your email. So make sure that you input the right code before you click confirm. And after you've done all of that, as you can see, the account is already deleted. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can, delete your account on Bitget. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.